A very good morning to all the viewers who have been watching my video continuously. This is your Snehasis Party from the team of IS. Learn with integrity, the point which I have to stick with. So in this video I will be discussing the detailed explanation part of a very important question. Sudama caves was dedicated to whom? So here you might be watching the video, right? Here you might be watching the detailed explanation part of this. Who is Sudama? Whether we know that who is Sudama caves and why the caves has been generated. We all know the beautiful story of Sudama, right? So how Sudama has been played a vital role for the generation, for how friendship is between one person to another person. This is the one of the topic which has been given, or this is one of the game which has been generated. So which of the let me stick with the question itself. We do not know the Mahabharata, Ramayana, but still we should have to stick with the question itself. Sudama cave was dedicated to whom? So this is how the actuality of being here displayed. Sudama caves, by whom it has been displayed or for whom it has been mentioned, it is for mentioned Ajivaka. Ajivaka Sen. So why it has been mentioned for Ajivaka Sen? Let me give the explanation part of that. So explanation in the explanation part, let me clearly understand the what it has been mentioned here. The Sudama and the Lomas caves represent the earliest example of rock cut architecture in India. They belong to the 3rd century Mayura period. The Sudama caves was dedicated to the Emperor Asoka. So whom it has been dedicated? The Sudama has been dedicated to one of the famous leader, the Asoka, in 20 or 216 BC for the Buddhist monk, and consist for the circular evacuated chamber in the rectangular mandapa. Okay, it has been circular rectangular chambers, or it is also known as rectangular mandapas. So you do not get confused. It has been mentioned for Buddhist monk. Okay, for Buddhist monk it has been mentioned, but it is dedicated to whom? Ajivaka Sins. Okay, you should also have to know the exactly of that, or the detail of this as a Sudama caves. Okay, the Lomas Rishi caves was carved out of the huge rounded granite block. Okay, this has been manufactured, this has been made, architected by granite rocks, and has an arc like shape, fed initiating the contemporary timber architecture. The interior surface is highly polished. So this is how the Ajivaka caves, or the caves which is whom the Sudama caves has been dedicated, been displayed. Okay, I hope that you have got the answer for the given question. So let subscribe the channel. Thank you.